Hi and welcome back to another video, and today I'm making a beef Wellington with my grandmother. In order to make this beef Wellington, you're going to need a beef tenderloin, prosciutto, puff pastry, mushrooms, salt and pepper, mustard, and coconut oil.
So we're starting off with this lovely...
No, I already said that.
I'm looking forward to this. It just looks scrumptious.
First, we're going to make our duxelle. A duxelle is portobello mushrooms, salt, and pepper grinded up into a paste, and then pan-seared with no butter or oil. It should take 3 to 5 minutes to get all the moisture out. Now we are going to prepare the beef tenderloin. First, we're going to season it with salt and pepper. Next, we're going to sear it in the pan and get the internal temperature to 120.
So if you prefer medium rare, you could always use a thermometer.
We're not putting that in there. That's how you get it to 120. You always have to have a thermometer.
No, some people don't have thermometers and they just guess. Oh, you'd be surprised.
We're cutting that out.
Don't have thermometers.
After you take the beef tenderloin off of the pan, smear it with mustard. Now we are going to wrap the beef tenderloin in prosciutto and our mushroom duxelle that we made earlier. After that, we are going to let it sit in the fridge to chill for 30 minutes. Now we are going to roll out our puff pastry. We're going to take out our beef tenderloin from the fridge and we're going to put egg wash on the corners of the puff pastry. We're going to roll it, and now we're going to put it back in plastic wrap and throw it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. We are going to take our beef Wellington out of the fridge. We are going to put egg wash on top of it, score it, and put it in the oven for about 40 minutes at 425. Now we'll open it up.
Oh,
Perfect.
Voila! The finale Wellington.
This is perfect.